Let ChatPlus AI help you with these FAQs. During the process of app downloading and setting up your account, there are a few questions of yours that we could support to solve.
I selected phone number registration and no password set. Where can I set up?
Notice you are forced to add at least one shop in your first login ChatPlus AI after registration. After you add one shop in ChatPlus AI successfully, you can click the avatar in the top area of left column. Then click User Information
And set the password.
Some may ask, what is the invitation code in registration page? Invitation code is not required for registration. If your friend gives you invitation code, you can fill out there. If you want to recommend ChatPlus AI to your friend, you can go to ChatPlus AI Reference Program. The link is under the description. Lastly, for macOS users, if you fail to install the application, please drag the ChatPlus AI into Applications folder. Pinch with thumb and 3 fingers to open Launchpad and you can see the ChatPlus AI app. Then click on it to open. Get started today and receive the 7-day free trial. Customer Service Chatbot, ChatPlus AI. Make every engagement a deal.